Hello and welcome to Halo 4 Flood Part 4. What should I vote for? Haven? I like Haven actually. I've never seen these, I don't think. I'm not sure. Adrift? Haven. Adrift? Haven. Oh, that's a cool guy. I think he looks mint.
Oh, she said it. I'm not even gonna look.
That looks. Now look at that. Did that look mint but weird? And look at him. He looks like a nice one. That looks better though. It's just mine. It's just I haven't played on this game that much ever. This is probably my 9th or 8th time I've ever played on Flood. I'm doing okay at it actually. Oh. Hello. I'll do part 4 now. I'm gonna shut down the camera and then upload the rest of the videos. So I haven't killed anyways, so I want for my vision. There's not like I'm terrible at. I know everyone needs to know this. They're down there. Seen the one. Oh, what the hell? Why look at this? Why look at this? You see that? There's like loads of wood. Like loads of them. This is one guy. What? So he's supposed to be in pass. No, stop. Oh, suicide. You committed suicide, no, I did. Jeez. That's what you expect me to do. Let me take back his body. Oh. Right, okay. Might no. I was kind of went with this guy. Let me find this guy, okay? He's called SWAT. Are you SWAT? No. What's over there? Oh god, I shouldn't have left SWAT, I should have stayed up until now. SWAT? No, he's there. What did I do to you, SWAT? Did I force you to help me? I don't even know that he's there. Yeah. Where's SWAT? SWAT. SWAT's there. I love SWAT. I used to love you, but now I can't love you. You know, enough. LOL, I love you now. Ha! You just fell. Dude, you just suck. You just suck and stuff. Hello, Chef Floods. Oh yeah, I had a good stream about guidance. Do you think? Pistachios. Do you think? Do you think I did good with him? Okay, first ones. I used to be second and third, but now I'm first. I am just boss. I look muffin cash. Let's see. Twin plate. Twin plate, I can do me on one of my hands. Let's just do that, okay? Let's check out pistachios.
No, little dudes. Yeah.
He was thrown to my low bone. She was thrown to my low bone. Let's see what looks best. I definitely am an Indian. Oh God. Flood and Haven. Oh no. You guys, you pistachios, we're gonna die. What are these guys? I'm gonna stop 40 seconds on you guys, so. Let's go in there. Start party. Now I can't hear them pistachios. Oh, I'm it. Nice to know. What? What? Where am I? Alright, that's cool. What? Let's get him in a shot. I'll kill myself. Hello, pistachios. Oh no. That's right. Yeah, whatever. Wait, I took suicide. Oh, I respawned. I didn't do better than that one, did I? Take advice from a human for once. Who killed me? No! Oh, I'm sorry. I'm in second place. Come on, you think I can get first? Twice in a row, boys. Let's get that. Challenge. Tension. Here we go. Damn it. Pistachios! No pistachio! I've been watching that video show. I did good there too. Let's see what I got. Oh, I came second. Equal. Oh, the last can also survive. Oh, I came first actually. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Unison. I can't remember how to read that. Jeez. Salute, RG Heroic, active camouflage. Wow, actually like to rewatch. Thanks for watching, subscribe for the next videos, peace out.